Hello everyone, thanks a lot for tuning in once again to my video and welcome back of course to my channel. Now I think this is the first video I've made since my channel reached 100 subscribers. So I'm very appreciative and grateful of that, or of course excited. I have the Iron Man Mark II Diecast version, of course, special edition in front of me. So I really can't wait to unbox this. So you can say that recently I acquired this, or I bought this at a, I wouldn't say very cheap price, but I think it's quite acceptable given that it is a MISB or mint in sealed box condition. So I think the price it's not cheap, but it's definitely acceptable, and I would say it's not bad of a bargain. So just glad that I can unbox this in front of everyone today. So managed to get this from reseller in Singapore, of course. There you go, the brown box there, so you can see that it's perfectly sealed, so it's definitely brand new MISB in condition. So there we go. Now maybe I'll talk a lot more in the review video, but I think currently I'm just very happy that I got this, and I think it's really not easy to find one or come across one that is still in MISB mint in sealed box condition. So I mean I don't know about how you guys feel, but I always think that opening a brand new toy is definitely different from opening one that has been played with before, or I would call it the BIB, or back in box condition. Wow, it's great. Nice art box there. Sorry, let me adjust this a bit. Okay. So there you have it, the Mark II. Special edition, of course, Mark II Special Edition Diecast Iron Man from Hot Toys. Haven't done an unboxing in quite a while, so I think we can always practice more. Alright, maybe one more look at it with the plastic removed. So the diecast versions are very characteristic, where they have this piece of plastic in the middle that you need to remove. Just gotta find the part where it ends. Usually I'm not able to find it, and I end up cutting it. So I guess it's all part of a challenge of unboxing case, so I found it here. So you can take out the plastic here. could have done it earlier. So I think this is my first time unboxing a die-cast Iron Man that is in MISB or mint in silk box condition. So it really feels different, really feels new, the figure. So definitely nice art box there. In case you don't know, the Mark II is without any coloring, so it's still silver in color. So it's not yet, as in color hasn't been added to it yet in the movie. So only Mark III onwards we see the characteristic red color of the Iron Man suit. Okay, now let me remove the upper cover. Okay, so you can really smell the smell coming from a brand new Hot Toys. I think some collectors have mentioned it before. I just like the smell of brand new Hot Toys. Right, everyone, there you have it. Just remove the cover. So here is the Mark II. So this is the special edition one with the mini hologram figure. So I think for me, right, I always try to get the special edition, or what you call the deluxe edition. So because I think it's always worth getting. To me, right, I'd rather get the deluxe or special edition than the normal original one. I always thought they are worth getting. They are, how would I put it? Special, deluxe in their way. So it wouldn't feel as good if you just get the original or normal version. Yep. Okay. So let me remove the bottom part. So there you have the stands and the batteries. The instruction manual here, of course. Right, so as usual, quick look at the instruction manual. Now, not much commentary from me here, so just like to say that I think sometimes, right, if we miss out on a pre-order, or we missed out an item or a toy, a hot toy at a retail price, and we have to buy them off the secondary market, sometimes I really feel, right, if it's meant to be yours, the toy will be meant to be yours. So you just gotta be patient, do your own shopping, and wait a bit, and then when the right figure comes along at the right price, at the right time, then can definitely get it. It's definitely worth getting. So no need to be too, how would I put it, impatient or too eager to get it sometimes, because it might come at a very expensive price. Okay, so let me remove the items. Oops. Okay. There's always a trick. Yep, the trick is to always pick up by the plastic. I think I'll just loosen one of those pieces by manhandling it, or not handling it as careful. Okay, so the backing there is quite thick, so it feels like something is protruding out from the back. Yeah. Sorry for the blocking there. Hands are blocking, so okay. Got the hand pieces here. Side pieces here. Okay, the head sculpt. Mask. Hologram, definitely gonna display that. Okay, this piece here I think is the arm, or part of the hand here. Sorry, later I'll show it to everyone in detail. Okay, the missiles here. Okay, so it comes with 3 pairs of extra hands. Altogether is like 6 extra hands. Okay, so here you go. Of course, all the pieces here, excluding the stands. So of course you got to remove the sponges one at a time. There you go. I think I will just stop here, because everything is laid out as it is. Alright everyone, so as usual, I had to spend some time off camera to remove all the plastic and the sponges to set up the stand so that the figure can be upright, and also to lay out the accessories that come together with this figure. So as usual, I'll talk more again on the review video of this figure, and of course I'll be doing a comparison video as well. So please stay tuned and watch out for my video. I think this is really an excellent figure. Definitely Hot Toys has outdone itself again. So as promised, I'll talk more about it at the review video and the comparison video. So as usual, thanks a lot for watching. Please catch me on my next video, and don't stop collecting. Goodbye.